What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Y'all already know what it is and who it is. But if you don't, this is Kavod Ray Valentine. You done pulled up to the block market. This is Hood Money Investing. I wanted to jump on AMC real quick and show you fellow beginners and traders what's taking place. We already have moved up to 42 million in volume. Right now, as you see with the 1 minute chart, it looks like we forming that dub and going back up. Okay, as you can see right here, see at the top, coming down, bop, and we bop, bop, bop. We forming this W here. And we're going to go all the way back up and go past this wall at 1384. You see? Man, hopefully we can get past that 1420. If not today, I'm pretty sure over the weekend we'll definitely smash through it. But it looks like we'll get past it today too. The volume is already looking good. If we can get past 100 million again, like I said yesterday, we can expect that price action that we were getting a year ago. And then we can expect the squeeze to start to take place, as the days go by. You see, man, everybody's tuned in. Everybody's waiting. And the only thing I can say is, look at that right there. Got these two big green candles here. Oh, yeah. It looks like it's being held back a little bit, at the moment. Let's go to the comments, see what people talking about. Everybody talking about them bots. Look, that wall, timber. You know what I mean? Oh, they saying it's the George Dub. Yeah, it's definitely a W on that minute chart. It's forming. You can clearly see that. It's clear as day. Yeah, we'll go back up to 14. CTRM is getting dragged. I mean, everything is getting dragged. Everybody just trying patiently wait. $32 million in the first 30 minutes. Yeah, that's definitely good. So we can expect close to 300 million again, 200 million. Well, 300, I mean, we might reach 4. I mean, because that's when we really got that break, that spike out, that real climb is when we got over like 350 million in volume, and it just got ridiculous at that point. But that's all I wanted to show you beginner investors and traders out there. We looking good. Yeah, they put up a couple walls, but that's not going to stop us. The volume, look at it. It's already near 50 million in volume, and it's not. We just reached 10 o'clock this morning, so. AMC and GME, we all know they running together, and AMC has, caused GME to start running. So, 920,000 in volume. Look at this. It's ridiculous. But when we start seeing some movement from GameStop, you could probably expect people to start putting some money into it. The ones that haven't jumped in yet, that believe in the potential of GameStop squeezing, over 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, or whatever the case is. Me personally, I'll be happy if it jumps back over 500. With the shares that I have in each of my portfolios, I will make triple what I pretty much sought out to. So I'll be good because I have a strategy and an exit plan, so that's the reason why, I feel the way that I feel about the squeeze. It's not that I don't want it to take place. Of course, I want all the apes, to get those those bananas, man. You know what I'm saying? Of course, but I'm just being real as far as like the fundamentals and the possibility of these guys halting the trading or something like that. So I'm just trying to learn from the last time. I only sought out of capitalizing at least 30K off of GameStop before anybody knew what the squeeze was or talked about it, and ladder attacks and phantom shares, before any of this stuff was, all over YouTube. I was just looking to make 30 to 40K off of GameStop, and I happened to make a lot more than that. So, with that, I'm, okay with like I said, exiting with that strategy as well. Like, okay, if I get here, let's say 100K, I'm going to take that 100K because that's what my exit strategy, is at. And then, I'll ride, the wave and scalp and, sell a little bit here and there if we happen to reach past that 10K or get anywhere near 100K. You see what I'm saying? As long as I put that 100K to the side for the plans I have, everything else is just extra. You see? So, that's all I wanted to talk about. Looked like GameStop about to make a move. We came under 160. Now it looks like we're about to jump back up. Let's see if we can reach past that 169, which we will once AMC starts running. Once AMC starts running, GameStop will wake back up. So that's all we're waiting for at the moment. As you can see, it looks like we get some good. Yeah, it looked like GameStop is definitely looking to wake up. Get that right there. Check that out. They threw a wall up on GameStop quick. So that shit did get out of hand. All right. Yeah, buddy. We back up to 163, 164. GameStop. Yeah, buddy. It's pumping. It is pumping. Let's see. I gotta get my. Let me see real quick. It's outstanding is 70 million. That's probably baloney. Free float is only 56 million. All right, yeah, well, GameStop is definitely going through its own beat down, but these battles are about to turn. The tide's about to turn in these battles. Yeah, that's all I had to say to you beginner investors and traders out there. Like your boy, man. Let's see what's going to happen today, man. But it's going to get real interesting over the weekend. When we hit Monday and, each Friday when we get these margin calls, that's when we'll see how interesting it's about to be. So, I just wanted to show y'all this W that's forming, sending us on our way back up. RSI is looking good. We climbing over that line, so that AMC wants to push. The volume is looking healthy, like a thick girl from Georgia with that peach. And we gonna get this money, man. We gonna get this money. That's all I wanted to say, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's Goodbye Ray Valentine. Y'all done pulled up to the block market. I'm going to keep on trying to bring y'all these little updates about what's going on with AMC and GME and what's going on with the market, because it even seems like we have, a little bit of green, here today in the market. And my calls are looking pretty good right now for AMC. My SOS calls have been destroyed, but definitely wait for SOS to bounce. If SOS doesn't anywhere, if it runs anywhere close to what Ride is run to, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness, we're gonna make some money, man. We're gonna make some money. Yeah, it's a little green right now. You know, that's so they can pull down some more. That's what they doing. They only, you know, keep making you think the market is, recovering or retracing or correcting when it's a sell-off taking place. It has to be. And they've been preparing for it. This is the reason why these stocks have been fluctuating, bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. They've been making money on calls and puts, and they've been trying to capitalize, man, ever since they've been got caught. They got to make as much money as possible to cover for that short borrow fee and everything else. It's a lot of fees that come with what they did. So, and they're wasting millions of dollars a day just trying to keep the prices of AMC, GME, and every other, stock that they've shorted down. And it's on the pressure is just about to bust at this point. So it's nothing they can do to hold these stocks down at this point anymore. Maybe a couple more short ladder attacks. But it's not going to work. And then it's just going to cost them to keep on doing it. So, at this moment, we'll see, man. We'll see. But we will be seeing that $14 again before the day is out. But that's all I got to say, man. I'm out of here this time. I'm really out of here this time. It's your boy, Kavare Valentine. It's the Block Market Hood Money Investing. Let's get this paper.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you all in the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.